Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Tragedy has hit the Clarendon area as two well-known youth has drowned in the United States in the Martha's Vineyard area, Massachusetts. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV, reporting live. The U.S. Coast Guard are searching for their bodies. Greetings, and salutations to all nation. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV, and if this is your first time tuning in, I'm asking you to hit that red subscribe button. Yeah. Build up the Rastaman panel. Yeah. Be a member of the Rastaman channel. Ladies and gentlemen, tragedy has hit the Clarendon area, ladies and gentlemen, as it's been reported that the United States Coast Guard in the Massachusetts area this morning are searching for the bodies of 21-year-old Tavaughn Bulgin. They have found his body of his brother Tavaris back on Monday. Ladies and gentlemen, Monday morning is also showing that they have jumped off the well-known bridge called the Jaws Bridge on Martha's Vineyard Sunday night, and the body of Tavaughn, 26-year-old brother of Tavaris, was found about 6:20 a.m. in the morning. After they jumped off the bridge, ladies and gentlemen, officials says that, this bridge is known as the American Legion Bridge. The bodies were not found. A popular tourist attraction, the bridge is famous because of its Steven Spielberg horror film George that was filmed back in 1975 in Martha's Vineyard. The brothers, who are from the central Jamaican parish of Clarendon, are sons of a pastor, Reverend Keith Bulgin, and his wife Jacqueline. Ladies and gentlemen, it's unfortunate. It's a tragedy. Another episode of a islander going to the United States just for work and make a little paper, help out their family and escape the poverty. And it's a tragedy once again. The Reverend and his wife were rushed to the Maypen Hospital after hearing the news on Monday. The tragedy has struck to the soul of the community. The two young men attend the University of West Indies and the University of Technology and were pursuing business studies. So the Loop News told the public, according to the U.S. Coast Guard, its search for the missing brother has been suspended around 3 p.m. on Monday. The state police said that the search was suspended around 5 p.m. and will resume Tuesday morning. While in the United States, the two brothers were living in the Oak Bluff area there in the northern western part of the bridge, and they were working at a local restaurant for the summer in Massachusetts. State police said. They said that four jumped off the bridge. The Coast Guard began searching around 11 p.m. Sunday, and they found, that two were uninjured. Early reports said that 9 people had jumped off the bridge, but that's a correction. Ladies and gentlemen, again, Tavaris and Tavaughn played instrument in their church there, that their pastor, their father is the pastor. They sang for the ministry. It's a heart-wrenching situation. The whole family is shaken up. The community of Clarendon is shaken up. It is being reported that the father and the mother are being flown to the Massachusetts area to identify the body. Friends and families are in shock. The family members are in denial. It's unfortunate. Again, ladies and gentlemen, leave your comment. Give me a thumbs up. Share the content. It's two young men, Tavaris and Tavaughn. They are inspirations. Words were being said that these young men were so bright they could have been the next prime minister of the country. It's a tragic loss, disappointing situation. I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV. More life, more joy, and more happiness for me.
Hello, my name is Asheen, and welcome to Deep Roots TV.